Here, one last trigonometric problem. Find all the sides and angles of this triangle. Well, this side, x, we can find with the Pythagorean theorem. We can say that, let's see, that's one of the shorter sides. X squared plus 7.2 squared should be 11.9 squared. So let's see, x squared plus 7.2 squared is 51.84. 51.84 will be 11.9 squared, 141.61. 141.61. We subtract 51.84 from both sides. We get x squared equals that minus 51.84 equals, if that's x squared, 89.77. And so x will be the square root of 89.77, which would be square root 9.5, 9.47. X is approximately 9.47. So this is 9.47 meters. Now to find the angles, let's say I want to call this angle, now I'm going to use a different variable, A. Let's say Y. This 9.47 is approximate, but as far as we know, that 7.2 and that 11.9 are accurate, so let's use those instead. This is the opposite side, it's away from the Y. This is the hypotenuse, because it's the longest side of the triangle. Those are the two more confident numbers. We could have used any of them, but what SOHCAHTOA, S-O-H, SOHCAHTOA, so has the O and the H, so we're saying that the sine of Y is O over H, which is 7.2 over 11.9. Hopefully at this point you can just say Y is the inverse sine of 7.2 over 11.9. Plug this into a calculator. 7.2 divided by 11.9 is, and then we go inverse sine 37.23. Y is approximately 37.23 degrees. Now, so I'll replace that. Well, let's see, this is x, and this is 37.23 degrees. We could use trigonometry again to find this angle, but we know that the three angles add up to 180 degrees. So if we add the 90 degrees to that angle, we get that. And if we subtract that from 180, or make it negative and add 180, we get 52.77. 52.77 degrees. And yeah, it looks like those two will add up to 90 degrees, and that makes it 180. So this is why I say that the whole Pythagorean theorem and the three angles of a triangle adding up to 180 almost count as trigonometry. I mean, here's the actual trigonometry where you use the sine. But using the Pythagorean theorem helps you find the side of a triangle, knowing that the angles add up to 180 degrees also. That's enough for today.